Are you having problems with instant transfer not showing up on your Venmo and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into Google, and then you're going to search for Venmo, then select this result right here from their official website, of course. Click on Help Center in here. Then you're going to write like this: instant transfer, as you can see, and then you can actually click on this one, instant bank transfer FAQ. It doesn't really matter, at least that you have instant bank transfer in here basically. Now you're just going to scroll down and click on submit a request. Now scroll down in here, and in here this is going to be the most important part of this tutorial. So here you're going to write your correct full name, of course, your phone number, and your email address associated with your Venmo account. By the way, it's also very important that you actually do write your correct email address in here, because if you don't and you actually write the incorrect one in here, this might not work. So make sure that you actually write the correct one in here, and then subject is going to be like this: instant transfer not showing up. So just write like this. As you can see, instant transfer not showing up. You can even have like instant bank transfer not showing up, but it doesn't really matter, to be honest. You can just write instant transfer not showing up as well. And here, how can we help? You're a Venmo customer, you're going to select this one. Then you're going to just click where it says payments and requests. Then just actually click on other in here, doesn't really matter. You're going to write now like this: I am having issues with missing instant transfers on my Venmo account. I need this to be fixed. So this is exactly what you need to write to their support. I'm having issues with missing instant transfers on my Venmo account. I need this to be fixed. And then you're going to click on submit. And afterwards, you need to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the Venmo support to be able to see that you have actually submitted this to them. And then they will get back to you. And I hope that this will be able to fix this problem for you after they actually looked at your issue, and they will get back to you, and hopefully it will now be fixed.